The Instagram, YouTube, 9,000, 7,000, 16,000, 1,500. Those are the number of announced layoffs just in March from Amazon, Credit Suisse, and Disneyland. What do you do after you lose your job? You may not know me, Mark Morris, toldtobetobroke.com, talking to you from the Power of Interest lessons. What I want to help you do is, how do you survive and excel after losing a job? I did that, man. I got my first job out of college, 1993, laid off 1995. You'll never get laid off from here. You'll never get laid off. Boom. What I've done is I validated this newsletter. I wrote this back in 1995. I've used the fundamentals of this to pay off a student loan that was $94,485. I have used it to help me get through losing 2 foreclosures in Yucca Valley. I've validated this with thousands of hours of training and thousands of hours of interviews and thousands of hours of working in sales and telemarketing. I'm just like, how do I overcome losing a job? How do I overcome a pay cut? First thing you need to do after you lose your job is, I have about 6 to 7 of these things, or I'll give you some tips on, hey, because once you lose your job, you're going to go for a couple of interviews. They're going to ask you, why are you looking for a job? What's going on? What happened? And then you're going to mess up. You're going to lie. You're not going to be prepared. You're going to be depressed. And I'll give you the first thing from first thing from this is just stop and think. Just stop and think. Where am I going? What am I doing? Am I looking for a job to make money? Am I looking for a job to get my career started? Am I looking for a bridge? Because every job is not going to be a job where you're going to get there and stay there forever. So that's why I wrote this. Stop, think, find out what's going on, what went on in the interview, can I get some feedback, and then go from there. So I have about 5 of these, and if you like, so I'll be giving them to you. If you don't want to waste time for me trying to tell you when I have time, I have $10. I'll send you the PDF copy, and for $20, I'll send you the you guys to buy this one. I have for shipping and handling, and I also have a bonus newsletter I'll send to you. This is the newsletter I use because sometimes you go for jobs that you're not in your field, or they think you don't have the skills to something. It's just hey, you know what? I know you don't think I'm good for this field, but these are the things I do, and I believe I can apply them to your job. That's a bonus when you get the $20 option. $10 PDF, you get 6 of these, and just use the tips. Use them as you can. I've validated thousands of hours, laid off before, salary cuts, fired before, thousands of hours of training, thousands of interviews, thousands of hours just working to develop this. $10, I'll give you the PDF copy. $20, hey, you'll get this hard copy and my bonus letter. All you have to do is send a check to Mark Morris, $10, P.O. Box 540, San Bernardino, California, 92402. Another one, $20 if you want the hard copy, Mark Morris, P.O. Box 540, San Bernardino, California, 92402. Send that to you. And if you say, Martin, I'm not really just buy right now, just subscribe. And then comment, put down what kind of job you're looking for. Let me know, if I know you're saying, oh, Martin, I don't want to have to pay, I lost my job. Well, you pay for gas on the way to the interview, don't you? You're going to still pay for food to go to the groceries. That $10 or $20 is money you shouldn't be spending, most likely. You're spending it on gas, you're spending it on porn movies. What are you spending it on? Your cigarettes and stuff? Why don't you spend it on something that helped me pay down $94,485 student loan? Something that's going to help you make more money. Help me make money, period. Because some of you, your field may even be existing for, so you may have to make a transition to a new field. $10 or $20, P.O. Box 540, San Bernardino, California, 92402. Mail date to Martin Morris. Let me help you out, man. Thousands of hours, I've validated this. I know that $10 or $20, you're going to spend that for gas or something. Instead of spending it for gas, spend it on something where you can learn something, take a skill, help you get a new job. Because with AI and technology, some of your jobs ain't going to be around much longer anyway. So this is a time to get a jump on the people that are still working, to get you in a new field, put you in a position of not even so much leadership, but you can take advantage of the money while the field is good. P.O. Box 540, San Bernardino, California, 92402. Make a check or money out to Mark Morris. $10 option, you get the PDF. $20, I'll give you a hard copy and my bonus letter to help you get into some strategies just to show, hey, even though you're going to a new company and they have different fields, you don't have anything that offers, give us some ways you can customize your cover letter. Try it out. Let me know what you think. Subscribe at the very least. Subscribe and comment.